Hello, welcome to this video. Today, we will see the best iOS data recovery 2024. Learn how to easily recover permanently deleted videos, photos, contacts and messages without backup. Number 1. You may wonder, is it possible to recover permanently deleted data even after factory? The answer is, if possible. What files can be recovered after deleting them? Many of the files you thought no longer existed can be recovered, for example, very old videos, old photos, and even messages that we accidentally deleted. There are many programs to recover these files. But in this video, we are going to teach you how to choose a good data recovery system, taking into account our experience. 3. How to choose a good iOS data recovery system. To choose a good data recovery tool, you should consider the following. It must be a program with a successful rate of recovery of multiple files. You should have several recovery methods or modes. It must also support multiple file types in addition to selective recovery. You should have a preview of the files you want to recover. Support various data loss scenarios. It also has to be easy to use and reasonably priced. Keeping this in mind, I recommend you to use Eassiy iPhone Data Recovery. Eassiy iPhone Data Recovery has the highest iOS device data recovery rate for photos and videos in the industry. It has 3 recovery modes: recover directly from iOS devices, iTunes Backup, and iCloud. Supports over 36 file types, including Snapchat messages. The industry leader in supported file types selectively recover iPhone data. You can preview any iPhone data you want before recovering it. Deal with multiple data loss scenarios, for example, water damage, car accident, upgrade, downgrade, accidental data deletion, theft, etc. It is very easy to use and the price will surprise you. The price of other software in the market is from $49 to $89 for one iOS device only, but the price of Eassiy iPhone Data Recovery is $45. And it is per quarter for 6 iOS devices. Incredible true. I'll teach you how to use it. The steps are very simple. Download and install on your computer. Now connect your iPhone and select option number 1. This will allow us to scan the entire device regardless of whether we have a backup or not. The scan is deep. You have to search for all deleted files. The screen will show you everything it finds. You can stop the scan when you see what you want to recover. To recover, you just have to select it and click on the bottom button Recover. That's all. We reached the end of the video. If it was helpful, leave your like and subscribe. See you in the next video.